Hello guys, this is Deepak Chaurasia. As I mentioned to you that I will be sharing lot of informative videos with the action taking tips, and if you take those actions you are going to transform your lives. So this is the second video in the series of finding purpose on your life. So in the last video, as I explained that how you can find your 3 best skills which you can think of teaching or mentoring others, or utilize that skill to grow further in life and to work on the first skill I have mentioned you. So if you remember in my video, I have mentioned that you need to work on that skill for 21 days. So what is the reason I have told that you need to at least work on that skill for 21 days? The reason is there are a lot of books, lot of self-development books, as well as lot of scientific studies which shows that any human being takes at least 21 days to acquire new skill, new belief system and a new practice. That is the reason I told you need to work with that skill for 21 days. Then the next point is, while you are working on that skill, you should not go in the doubtful manner, self-doubting yourself or doubting the process what you are following to gain your momentum and to find your purpose in life. Do not doubt the process. Blindly and holistically just follow what I have mentioned. Practice your skill for the 21 days. See what all you can do with that skill. Document the things what you can do. Think how I can add the value in others' life using that skill. If you start doubting your process, then automatically it will start creating conflict within you, and you do not want that conflict. You do not want that negative energy. You only want the positiveness and the focused mind towards that. So remember, do not judge the process. Now the third point is, do not do multitasking. What is the mean and why I am mentioning that do not do multitasking? If you are already looking or learning something new or some new skill you are trying to acquire, then do not start this process. Whenever you start this process, at a one time you need to focus on only one particular skill and the passion. Even if you have found the 3 skills and you are thinking to try all 3 in parallel and see which one makes most valuable for you and which is the best skill and which is the correct and desired passion based on the skills, do not do all those judgment now. For the 21 days, stick to single and first skill which you have given the maximum number of points and which you feel you are the best one. And only after 21 days we will start judging the things. But for 21 days, focus on single skill. If you start doing multitasking, first thing it will divide your focus. Second thing, it will start making conflicts within both skills. You will start judging this is better, that is better, and that will waste lot of time, and your time will become half on one skill because you are trying 2 different things and you will never be confident which is better for me. So always focus on one thing. Don't do multitasking for such important things in your life. So this is the 3 mantras which I wanted to give today. Focus and follow what I have mentioned, and you are going to find your passion very soon and purpose in life. Thanks guys, this is all. Signing off. Please do subscribe my channel if you are looking for more informative videos. Also, if you have not watched previous videos for the transformation, go with the full list of transformation playlist, because if you watch in middle, it may not make the sense for you the video. Do watch the full series or full playlist. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.